Mikey Blackview, and welcome back to another vlog with Bobby Big Rig. Headed through the parking lot here. It's a relatively newly developed area. No frills, of course, driving past. But there's this little spot right here by KFC. You can tell there's no storefronts. So I am going to host a little bit of a car meet here. As you can tell, all these fresh spots that have never been used. So, Saturday, I don't even know what day of the week it is, but this Saturday is a bit of a pop-up meet, I am aware. I apologize for anybody that can't make it because they needed more heads up. But we are having a special guest, because I just randomly drive around through parking lots. Why not? So I've mentioned his name many times. Many of you have gone and checked out his channel. We are having L to the W. Larry from Florida, the man with one of the coolest car collections I have ever seen. He's got a Grand National, Fire Chicken, you name it. The man has got it. So he has decided, because I'm not working on Saturday, it is a long weekend. He is going to fly up from Florida tomorrow, Friday, and he is going to hang out with me for the weekend. So we're going to go do some fun stuff. And I thought, hey, you know what? I know some of you watch his stuff. He's coming to town. Come check it out and meet him. It's going to be a pretty good time, and I'm pretty excited about it. And I will have that address in the description below. I have Christ yellows. I can make those all damn day. Hear the valves changing. Quite excited to work out an exhaust collaboration with somebody so we can get rid of that altogether and open up the car a little bit. So, Saturday, 2 to 4 p.m. It's not going to be a huge deal, but, you know, just fun to get out in the afternoon. The weather's supposed to be great, finally getting warm. I might even bring the bike. I don't really know. It's pretty close to my home, so I definitely have the ability to bring the motorcycle out and share that, which might be a little bit more fun than just the same old that I always do with this here Super Slow. Oh, this is my favorite. That was an incredibly weak shift. This car's got a bit of a character to it on the highway speed. So Saturday 2 to 4, those who are in the area and available, be there. It's going to be a good time. It'll be fun to catch up and do just a bit of a pop-up meet rather than the big to-do ha's that I have been doing. Until next time, guys, drive safe, take care, and behave as always.